नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा, enunciating text 6, text 7, text 8 and text 9 of chapter 13, the appearance of Lord Varaha of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 6. मैत्रेय उवाच यदा स्वभार्यया सार्धं जातः स्वयंभुवो मनुः प्राञ्जलिः प्रणतश्च चेदं वेदगर्भं भाषत. The sage Maitreya said to Vidar after his appearance, Manu, the father of mankind, along with his wife, thus addressed the reservoir of Vedic wisdom Brahma with obeisances and folded hands. Text 7. Tvamekah sarvabhutanam janmakrid vrittidah pita tathapi nah prajanam te shushrusha kena va bhavet. You are the father of all living entities and the source of their subsistence, because they are all born of you. Please order us how we may be able to render service unto you. A son's duty is not only to make the father the source of supply for all his needs, but also when he is grown up to render service unto him. That is the law of creation beginning from the time of Brahma. A father's duty is to bring up the son until he is grown. And when the son is grown up, it is his duty to render service unto the father. Text 8. Tada vidhehi namastubhyam karmasvidhyatma shaktishu yatakrita veha yasho Vishavagamudra cha bhaveda gatiha. O worshipful one, please give us your direction for the execution of duty within our working capacity so that we can follow it for fame in this life and progress in the next. Brahma is the direct recipient of Vedic knowledge from the personality of Godhead, and thus Brahma knowledge, anyone discharging his entrusted duties in disciplic succession from Brahma is sure to gain fame in this life and salvation in the next. The disciplic succession from Brahma is called the Brahma Sampradaya, and it descends as follows. Brahma, Narad, Vyas, Madhva Muni, Purna Pradnya, Padmanabh, Dhruhari, Madhava, Akshobhya, Jayatirtha, Jnana Sindhu, Dayanidhi, Vidyanidhi, Rajendra, Jaya Dharma Purushottama, Brahmanya तीर्थ, व्यास तीर्थ, लक्ष्मीपति, माधवेंद्रपुरी, ईश्वरपुरी, श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु, स्वरूप दामोदर and Sri Rupa Goswami and others, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Krishna Das Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Jagannath Das Babaji, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Gaura Kishore Das Babaji, Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami. This line of disciplic succession from Brahma is spiritual, whereas the genealogical succession from Manu is material. But both are on the progressive march towards the same goal of Krishna's consciousness. Text 9. Brahmo vacha pritas tubhyam hama tata swasti stadavam kshitishvaraha yana nirvyalikein ruda shadhi metyat manarpitam. Lord Brahma said, My dear son, O Lord of the world, I am very pleased with you, and I desire all blessings for both you and your wife. You have without reservation surrendered yourself unto me with your heart for my instructions. The relationship between the father and the son is always sublime. The father is naturally disposed with goodwill towards the son, and he is always ready to help the son in his progress of life. But in spite of the father's goodwill, the son is sometimes misguided because of his misuse of personal independence. Every living entity, however small or big he may be, has a choice of independence. If the son is unreservedly willing to be guided by the father is 10 times more eager to instruct and guide him by all means. The father and son relationship as exhibited here in the dealings of Brahma and Manu is excellent. Both the father and the son are well qualified, and their example should be followed by all humankind. Manu, the son, unreservedly asked the father Brahma to instruct him, and the father, who was full of Vedic wisdom, was glad to instruct him. The example of the father of mankind may be rigidly followed by mankind, and that will advance the cause of the relationship of fathers and sons. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.